This is one of my most favorite things to do, is when you get a group of people to help you do the things you need to get done for your wedding. For example, making thank yous, or creating individual unique escort or place cards, which add to the overall decoration of your table setting. This is so easy to do, so get ready, because think about the people you're going to ask to help you. So these are votive candle holders, but we're not using them as votive candle holders. This is styrofoam, which you can pick up also at Michael's, and you can cut it down to whatever size it is that you need. Very simple. It's like a conveyor belt of actually executing things in abundance. So you're going to cut them, and then you're going to slide them into the votive, just like this. Now, succulents are on trend. I have succulents for you to purchase, and they come in so many different sizes. So you take the votive that you've already filled up with the styrofoam, keep it about 1/2 inch above the edge of the votive so you can design up and around the outside. These are the succulents. They come in all different sizes, but they come in all different shapes as well. Now all I need you to do is just push them into the styrofoam and create your little succulent garden. And by the way, there's no wrong or right to this. All you need to do is just continue to add them around. Gosh, this looks adorable. I love how this looks. And when you finish that, you continue to go around. By the way, you can buy a little bit of reindeer moss and tuck some reindeer moss into it too if you want to add a little bit more texture. And now, as a thank you, you can purchase one of my place cards. You can then cut it so it's just a bit smaller, and then take a little bit of sheer organza ribbon, cut it about 3 inches long. I'm going to put a hole into the top corner of the card, put your ribbon through, take a pin and slide it right through and pierce it through both of the ends of the ribbon, and then you're going to add it right into here. And from me to you, thank you for realizing how simple this is to do.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.